Hi Paul, this is just a quick video just to show you how to deal with the problem that you've got. So if I look at my shipments, I can see I've got one that says ready to ship. So I'll go to that page, see what my options are. So if you go to your shipment, even though you've already completed it, you'll see there's a duplicate tab. If you select that, create duplicate, it will make a shipment that's the same as the one that you've just done. Except now if you look, it will say please enter the quantity of the units that you'll be sending. So you can just go, put the numbers in here, continue, and then you'll be back basically like you were with the other shipment. So you can create the new one, make sure you're happy with it, then cancel the previous one and have this one be the one that's live and ready. It's simple as that, really. Nice and easy. Just duplicate the current one, edit the numbers for the items to be correct for what you've got, and then use the new one and cancel the previous shipment. Okay?